Hey guys, it's Kelly. Welcome back to the channel of chilled, relaxed plant content where we talk about the good, the bad, the thriving, and the dying plants in our collection. And we try to learn the best way to grow our plants. So if that's something you'd like to participate in, contribute to, or you just want to hang out, hit the subscribe button and let's be plant friends. So today I figure I would take you on a little tour of my Hoyas and how they have acclimated from either going from a 2-inch pot into a 4-inch pot or from water straight into a 4-inch pot. So we do have a couple that are not doing so well, but we do have some that are thriving. So I'm going to show you them. Alrighty, see you in a bit. Okay guys, so we're going to start up here. All of the water propagations, I'll just say it real quick right now, are doing fine. Nothing's changed. We have my Hoya Papashawani, which is on the struggle bus, definitely, although the newer leaves are coming in okay. I don't know why the lower leaves are yellowing, but yeah, I grew this Hoya from seed, and I had, I think, 4 of them, and this is the last one, so I don't know. Pubicalyx is fine, Viola's fine, Parasitica's fine. These guys are all okay. Down here, these guys are doing fine. Over here, we have one, Hoya Hushkliana Yellow. It's not supposed to have yellow leaves. This guy is not doing okay. And actually, while we're down here, let's pull some of these leaves off and try to check out the stem to see if like the stem is rotting or if it's just maybe it was overwatered. But that's upsetting. I'll say this is the worst looking one since going into soil. But these guys look okay so far. They look a little wrinkled actually, which I don't know. But we're gonna leave it for now. Hopefully it's good. Danumensis is okay. Although this top leaf looks a little yellow, we might lose it. These guys are all alright. We can come on up here. These guys are good. These guys are good. I did end up putting the Mathilde in a 2-inch pot, and she is doing okay. Over here, Joy has a little bit of yellowing on one of her leaves, but so far so good. And these guys have been in the 4-inch pots, so they're good. And let's get on over to the other side. Ignore my garbage mess. We'll start up here. Again, the water propagations are fine. These guys are not in the 4-inch pots yet. We're waiting for some water propagations to grow roots. But these guys are. And the gracilis might have a little bit of sunburn going on. Yeah. Also, my multiflora has been having a lot of yellow leaves, and I've been just pulling them off. But we are putting out new leaves, so I think we're okay. These guys down here are okay. We have a slight yellowing on the Panchoy, but I think he'll be okay too. So it was really just the Hushliana that didn't do so well. But just a quick overview. I'll back up and give you the whole view of the Hoya wall. This is what it looks like. Gorgeous, I know. And yeah, hopefully everybody survives. They acclimate. If they gotta drop a couple leaves, that's fine. But, you know, yeah, let me know in the comments below if you guys have had any issues with some of the plants that I'm having issues with. The Papashawani, Multiflora, the Hushkliana, and the Panchoy. And yeah, or if you've had issues with other plants, let me know. Alrighty, guys. Until next time, relax, plant, and peace out.